Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use Excel XLOOKUP for beginner data analysis. The XLOOKUP function is the modern powerful replacement for VLOOKUP. It searches for a specific piece of data in one column or row and returns a corresponding value from another column. It works even if your return data is to the left of your search data. Now, this is the formula, basically. Right? XLOOKUP, lookup value, which is the item you are searching for, like specific product ID, an employee's name, or a cell reference containing these, right? You have the lookup array, the column or range of cells where Excel should look for that basically thing, and the return array, the column or range of cells containing the data you want to retrieve, basically, right? So set up your cell, define the lookup value, define the lookup array, define the return array, and close the parenthesis, right? And basically hit enter. Consider liking this video. Subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.